Welcome to the channel. Today, we will show you how to manage microphone access on Windows 11. This is essential if you want to control which apps can use your microphone and protect your privacy, whether you need to turn it on or off completely, or allow access for the specific apps. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Next, in the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side menu. After that, scroll down until you find the microphone option and click on it. Here, you will see a toggle switch that allows you to turn microphone access on or off for your entire system. If you prefer to give access only to specific apps, scroll down further to see a list of apps and adjust their individual microphone permissions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.